Okay, so let's dive right into this. Did you know that over 70% of professionals actually report feeling mild to severe anxiety when a major new software tool is rolled out at work? It's huge. Well, welcome to today's Explainer, where we're going to completely redefine how you interact with artificial intelligence and hopefully cure some of that anxiety along the way. We're looking at some truly fascinating source material today that maps out a highly structured, strategic approach to our digital tools. I mean, we hear so much noise right now about technology just taking over everything, right? But the data and the frameworks we're exploring today point to something entirely different and, frankly, way more exciting. We're going to look at how to maximize your efficiency, strictly maintain your own oversight, and put your brain right back where it belongs, at the absolute center of the creative process. Let's get into it. So, we need to start with a really fundamental question. Is AI a human substitute, or is it a thinking partner? Think about it. It perfectly captures that modern anxiety we all feel when a powerful new digital tool hits the market. Our immediate gut instinct is to ask, wait, is this going to replace me? But the source material we're unpacking today challenges that fear head-on. It actually asks us to reframe our entire perspective. If you're looking at this technology merely as a human substitute, well, you're completely missing its actual value. See, in the old, kind of fearful paradigm, we viewed AI strictly as a human substitute, just a machine meant to replace us. This is that classic mindset of job replacement, stepping back and letting a machine literally take the wheel. But if we shift our perspective to the modern paradigm, we see AI as a thinking partner. And a partner doesn't replace you, right? It works alongside you. It's a collaborative relationship. So the big takeaway here is that our digital tools aren't here to mimic human ingenuity, they're actually here to amplify it. Section 1. The human nucleus, putting your brain at the center. Let's look at this core definition of strategic synergy. It's defined as a collaborative approach to technology that maximizes efficiency while strictly maintaining human oversight. Now, the absolutely crucial point here is the balance. We're deliberately using technology to elevate our own efficiency, absolutely. But, and this is a big but, we do not surrender our human oversight. This synergy means really recognizing what the machine does best and what you do best. Your unique human value, your judgment, your lived experience, your specific expertise, that just can't be outsourced. You are the nucleus. The technology orbits around you, not the other way around. Section 2. Delegating cognitive friction, freeing up your mind. Okay, I want you to picture a visual concept map in your head. You, the human nucleus, are the hub right in the center. Now look at the outer spokes, these AI branches. Schedule, research, summarize, organize, and explain. These are exactly the types of tasks that cause what the source material calls cognitive friction. Think about that heavy, totally energy-draining drag of spending, 45 minutes just trying to schedule a meeting across 3 different time zones, or drowning in a dozen browser tabs of preliminary research? That is cognitive friction. We should be aggressively delegating these branches to our digital tools. Let the AI schedule the meeting. Let it do that massive initial sweep of research. Ask it to summarize a huge document, organize your messy notes, or just explain a complex new concept to you. By pushing these tasks outward, you instantly alleviate that friction. Which leads us directly to this really profound insight. AI can save you hours of friction so you can spend that time on deep thinking. Use it wisely. I want to slow down for a second and really emphasize this, because it's the ultimate payoff of everything we're discussing today. When you eliminate the chaos of cognitive friction, you aren't just saving time, you are saving high-quality mental energy. The goal isn't just to work faster so you can do more busy work. No way. The goal is to carve out protected, quiet space for complex reasoning and deep thinking, the things only the human nucleus can do. Use it wisely means making a deliberate, conscious choice about exactly where you spend your mental bandwidth. Section 3. The boundary of human oversight, the perimeter of trust. Now, the crucial, absolute non-negotiable boundary of this entire system is simple. Always verify facts. Because as amazing as these thinking partners are at summarizing and organizing, they are not arbiters of truth. If you're going to use AI to reduce your friction, you have to remain fully responsible for the output. The perimeter of trust stops with you. Fact-checking and verifying are purely human responsibilities that can never, ever be delegated to the outer branches of your concept map. Let's see what this looks like in practice as a highly practical 4-step workflow. Imagine you're writing a complex project proposal, right? Step 1. Let AI draft and organize. You just let the tool handle the friction of the blank page and organize your messy initial thoughts. Step 2. Check the rules and guidelines. Before you go any further, you ensure that draft actually adheres to whatever established company guidelines or rules you're working within. Step 3, verify facts. You do the hard work of making sure the information and data pulled are objectively true. And finally, step 4, apply complex reasoning. This is where you inject your own unique perspective into the proposal. You take the organized, verified draft and you elevate it. You add the nuance, the strategy, the human touch that the machine simply doesn't possess. And honestly, that is strategic synergy in action. And that brings us to our final thought for this explainer. We've mapped out how to turn AI from a feared substitute into a highly collaborative thinking partner. We've shown how to build a concept map where your brain is the nucleus, deliberately delegating the friction of scheduling, researching, and organizing outward. And we've established the firm boundaries of verifying facts and checking guidelines. So I'm going to leave you with this question to consider. With the friction gone and your mental energy fully reclaimed, what complex problems will your human nucleus solve next? The bandwidth is yours again. It's entirely up to you how you use it.